they have installed the lights. Okay, so quiet in the cycle equipment room. I hope they install the lights. If not, it's not worth to go and do filming in a dark room. Okay, let's hope the lights are already installed. Good. They finally installed the light. The bad thing is the Samsung S8 headphone results are better. How to play Japan Hikaru Genji music with the wireless mini Bluetooth speaker. Okay, never mind. Then today just do cycling, okay? Because I've brought Adidas sports shoes from Singapore into Johor, South Malaysia, Princess Cove, 4th level sports gym. Okay, this is a very, very good. If you look at the mirror, you want to dance aerobics dance here, also can, You know what I mean? Okay, I'm not that interested whether it's aircon or what. Okay, everybody sweats, when you exercise. So good, Okay, there are two very huge. I think it's the air cooler. So, very easy. Let's check it out. Where is? Okay. It is how to control. See? Wow! I tell you, I must go and ask my agencies to drop over already. Really? Yeah. Kimi da kimi, I tell you what I still have Samsung Tab upstairs, okay? And I bring the Tab here and do music dancing there. How about it? Wait, let's take this cycling equipment with Adidas sports shoes, okay? Brought from Singapore, but it's kind of too high. Oh, now I see. How to go and adjust the lever to go down a bit? It's too high for a woman to climb. I know. Forever. All this gym equipment. Forever the guys. Know how to loosen the lever and don't know how to go, and I think I better pick one that is safe tonight. Today it is safe. Listen. Wow, this is very, very cold. Top leader. Very cold to extremely cold. No need to even on it. Too cold. Oh, so cold. I know what? I will need to go back in there to bring my Reebok. Reebok sports. Sports. What is it called? Okay, wait. It's too high leh. How to go and cycle? Aiyo. Okay. Hello, YouTubers. Sister Kim is up on the cycling equipment already. Okay. Ta-da. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Today I'm wearing this is Reebok white sports t-shirt. Then the pink color sports pants is also Reebok brand. Okay? But the white one is bought from Singapore. The pink one is bought from City Square Plaza Johor, Royal Sporting House. But after renovation, this type of pink color sports pants totally not selling anymore. Okay. Very good. Might as well cycle. Da 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 da. Okay. So good. See you later, YouTubers.